Happy Monday, everybody. How's it going? Y'all, I rarely come on here this early, but here I am, and it's an awesome Monday. One thing I wanted to say is we have got the most amazing freebie today. Who likes freebies? I know I do. As you're hopping on, say hello. I wanted to show y'all a few things and then tell you about the freebie. And I don't have it, but I've got a picture of it. And as soon as I get this thing going. Hey, Rachel and Janice. How's your Monday going? And the other day I had some questions about my acrylic tray. Or is it acrylic? No, whatever. Resin tray. So I wanted to show y'all. But to start with, let me just show you this. Today, well, from the 23rd, which is today, through the 27th. Can you believe it? Anyway, if you place a $50 order, you're going to get a transfer and a snowman. Just ignore that. But it looks like that. It's so stinking cute. It says, tis the season to be jolly. I can't even read. Oh, look at Diana. She's already got her freebie order. Yeah, me too. But anyway, so if you place a $50 order, you get a freebie. And that's anybody. Now, if you're a Perks member or a designer, then you get flat rate shipping. And listen, you can place as many orders as you want to. You know, like, say you wanted extra of these. If you know what I'm saying. The key word is snowman. And listen, the other day when we did the resin, y'all remember I put, it's called Nominee in here because I kind of wanted it to look gold, and it does. And then I put this North Pole $5 airmail in here. Can y'all see that? You can still kind of see through it. And somebody was asking if it's bendy. It's not. It dries hard. And just the word snowman. Don't put the exclamation point behind it because I don't know if that'll work. Just the word snowman. But anyway, so snowman, all one word, no exclamation point or anything like that. And if your order reaches $50, you get a cutout. It's the shape of a snowman. And you get a transfer. It's so cute. Y'all let me know if that's working. And then, you know, people were saying, well, what would you use this tray for? Oh, thank you, Susie. This would be perfect. Like, I don't have my cell phone's up there because I use it for my my camera. But say this is like on your nightstand. You could put any design you want to. You could put your cell phone in here. You could put your rings in here. Do y'all take your rings off at night? Anyway, it's a great little catch-all. And I kind of wanted mine to use as part of Christmas decorating. So I've got these fake candy canes. So, you know, they'll be cute. And since this looks like a stamp, I'll put it close to my train. No, you don't have to put a code in. Once your order reaches $50 and you go to checkout, you'll get a little message that says that you got a free snowman and cutout. So do y'all have any other questions about the resin? Did y'all see when we did this? It took me 2 lives because the first one, because you got to let it set. You got to pour your resin and let it set for 24 hours. So I did that, and then I chalked on it this North Pole $5 airmail. You can see that. But every design we have, you can put on your resin. Then I poured like a clear layer on top of it and let it set for another 24 hours. I love the resin. And I know during my last live, when I took it out, it was a little bendy. But when it dries hard. Oh, Pauline, you'll have to go back and see the video. It's so fun, and I can't wait to make other things. And then also in that live, people were saying, well, what would you do with this? Well, this is so cute. Like I said, you can put your rings on it, your watch on it, your phone on it. let me show you. Let's see. You could do one in a different color. You could put it in your bathroom and like put your soaps on it. You could, you know, this is a candle. You could put your design down a little bit and put your candle on it, that kind of thing. So many. We are like suggesting other different molds. Yeah, soap dish. And you know what would be so cute, you know, because we're all makers. And we like to make stuff. So what if you made like a special soap, maybe some bath salts, and then you wrapped it up in a clear bag or whatever? It would make a wonderful gift. And I just love it. Hey, Margaret. Anyway, so if y'all want a part of the free snowman stencil, can you use it on your coaster for your drinks? Sue, let's try that. Look, y'all, I want to try any ideas y'all have. And I'm going to use resin on something flat. We're going to try it all. But if you want info on the free snowman stencil and cutout, it's available while supplies last. And, you know, your order has to be $50 retail. Comment the word snowman. Okay, I just had another question. Okay, I did my tray, let it dry 24 hours, and then I chalked it. Then I poured resin over the top of it. You can see it didn't mess it up at all. It's perfectly fine. It looks awesome. It feels great. I love that it feels, you know, silky smooth and a solid. Can you do it on wood? I don't see why not. Listen, y'all, we're going to pour resin on everything. In fact, we need to have a resin day. Would y'all like that? Would y'all like for me to have a resin day where we pour resin on everything? Let me know in the comments, because y'all, I'm ready for it. I love it. I think it's awesome. It is like, it's new and exciting for me. I don't put my coffee cup on anything. I don't know why you would want to put your coffee cup on a tray. But, hey, we'll try it. We will try it. You know why? Because I am a risky crafter, and I will try anything. Let's have a resin day. I love it. All right, Pauline, let's do it. And listen, y'all get in on this freebie while it lasts. Do as many $50 orders as you want. Like if you were going to order $100, I might think about ordering a 50 and a 50. Or hey, don't tell anybody I said that. Sue, that's one thing we're not going to do. We're not going to pour resin on Barry because we want him. We don't want him stuck, you know, in resin. Resin day. All right, I love it. But today, because this is while supplies last, get your snowman bundle, type snowman. All right, y'all, I'm going to hop off here because I've got like 10,000 things that I want to do. And I don't know how many, I probably might, hopefully I get at least 5 of them done. All right, y'all, have a great day. I'll see y'all later. Remember, keyword is snowman. Bye, y'all.